How to delete your Instagram account. Open the Instagram app and tap your profile icon at the bottom right. Now tap the three lines in the top right corner. Then go to Account Center. Once you're inside, scroll down a bit and open Personal Details. Here, you'll see your basic account information like email and date of birth. Now tap on Account Ownership and Control. Then select Deactivation or Deletion and choose the account you want to delete. On the next screen, you'll see two options: Deactivate Account or Delete Account. If you just want a temporary break, you can choose Deactivate. But if you want to remove your account permanently, select Delete Account and tap Continue. Now choose any reason from the list. It doesn't really matter which one. And tap Continue again. Instagram may also give you an option to export your data, so if you want a backup of your photos or messages, you can do it here. Otherwise, just continue. After that, enter your password to confirm it's really you. Now you'll reach the final screen. Tap Delete Account, and your account will be scheduled for deletion. Instagram will show you a specific date, and your account will be permanently deleted on that date. Until then, if you log back into your account, the deletion request will be canceled. So this works like a safety period in case you change your mind.